Alright, and good morning guys. Today is race day, so we're actually on our way to the to MSR Houston with Driven and Blessed to go ahead and have a track day. So the event's from like 8 to 1, so it's not like a long event, so that's cool. So I already loaded up, if you didn't see in the last video where I actually loaded up and I'm ready to go for the most part. So there you go. I am gonna add this lawn chair because, believe it or not, there's nowhere to sit at the track. So I'm gonna put this in here, but other than that, I'm good to go. So I'm about to get going right now. I wouldn't say that I'm late, but 7:20, the time right now is like about to be 7:20. So I was planning to leave at 7:50. So with that being said, we'll be on the road just here in a minute, and thank you guys. Stay tuned. So yeah, here we are, like what, 10 minutes later after the last clip, and I'm still at my fucking house. So battery's like super dead, like I'm talking like 7 volts dead, like it won't do anything now at this point. I tried pushing it, I only have a battery charger. I actually don't have like a jumper box, so I'm so annoyed now. I'm waiting on my friend. He lives around the corner. He actually has my jumper cables, so I'm gonna pretty much get a jump from him, and then hopefully I should be on the road. But this is a huge damper to my day. I'm gonna have to buy a new battery later on today. I know I'm probably gonna have to get jumped at the track, which is kind of embarrassing, but I mean, fuck it. So with that being said, hopefully the next clip is me arriving at MSR Houston. Alright, so after some car trouble and leaving 45 minutes after I wanted to leave, we're finally here at MSR. Driver's meeting started like, I guess 20 minutes ago, or no, my clock is over, so it's like 10 minutes ago or so. So I'm a little late to that. I'm gonna go ahead and try to sneak in there and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the track, which is where the videos are gonna start. the straights he's good, but on these corners he has to brake too much. So I'm like on him. Alright guys, so we're leaving the event. I've got a pretty long drive ahead of me. It's the I'm like on this highway. So I feel like it's all weird. Alright, there we go. So yeah, we went ahead and did the event. As you guys saw, it was so much fun. I hadn't been to the track in a while, so you know, it was a lot of fun getting back like muscle memory and like reading, like just thinking about like what my instructors say and stuff like that I had in the past. I feel like my hood is up, like the hood struts push the hood a little bit higher, so it just like makes it look like it's open. I don't know, I might just pull over so I can just make sure that it's closed. Anyway, so yeah, again, I had a lot of fun. Shout out to the Driven and Blessed guys and MSR Houston. Thanks for, you know, hosting the events. Affordable track days, lots of fun with friends and stuff like that. I encourage some of my friends to go just so like they can have the experience. I truly believe that bring what you got. You know, you don't need an overly built, like purpose-built track car for the most part, just to get like have some fun and get the hang of it and learn car control and stuff like that. So I recommend it myself. I try to get my little brother out here. He woke up late, so well. But that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, go ahead and drop them below. What did you guys think? Do you guys like track videos, or what style should I do it? But that's the only question I'm gonna ask. Now I have a like 30 minute drive home, so it's not even that long. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, throw them down below. I'll try to answer them. Well, I can't answer them because nobody comments on my videos. And subscribe if you haven't already, if you're looking for more track day stuff that hopefully I get to do in the future. So yeah, thanks you guys.